Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am here to discuss something about table, that how to insert table into a Word document. In the previous lectures or previous classes we have discussed in detail about inserting header, footer, inserting page number, page border, background color, and so on, and different other options we have discussed in detail related to Microsoft Word. Now we are going to discuss about that how to insert a table into a Word document. Table very very important. Why do we insert table? First of all, you have to think about that what is table. Table means if you want to insert data in form of rows and columns. Table has different rows and columns. If you want to categorize different kind of a data, different field data, for example, your name, address, phone number, father name, it has different categories. So you could write easily into a table. So that's why we insert table into a Word document. Let's move. It is very easy. First of all, we will move towards the insert tab. Like this, you can see there is an insert tab. Click on the insert tab, then you will see different options, different icons into the insert tab, and most of them are familiar with you because we have used different header, footers, page numbers, equations, symbols as well. Now I will move towards the table. You can see there is an option of table. You can see this one is a table. Now click on the bottom arrow. There is a table. You can see add a table. A bubble text is appear on the bottom of this icon. You can see. Then I will click on the table. You can see there is different options. See, when I am moving my mouse pointer, so you will see horizontally. If I am moving the mouse pointer, you will see there are different columns. Number of columns is increasing. For example, see, columns are increasing when I move my mouse pointer backward, so column is decreasing like this. You can see, if I move downward, then you will see the number of rows will increase. See, number of rows increase. Now number of rows are 4. Or if I will move the mouse pointer towards the right side, so number of columns will increase. You can see it's very easy. So very quickly you can generate or insert a table like this. Or otherwise there is an other option to insert a table into your Word document. Just move toward the insert table option. When you will choose the insert table option, then a dialog box is appear on the screen. That dialog box uh, will give you options that how many number of columns you want to insert into your table. For example, these are number of columns and these are number of rows. So you want to insert, for example, on default there are 5 number of columns and 2 number of rows. For example, I want to increase number of rows like this. If you click on the upward arrow, so number of rows will increase, or if you click on the downward arrow, so it will decrease. Same like that, you have to click on the OK button. After choosing the number of rows and number of columns, you have to click on the OK button. So your table will generated or inserted into a place where you leave your cursor. See, the table is appeared on the screen or your page, you can see. And table has how many columns? Which you have selected from the dialog box of the table. 5 columns and 4 rows. So why do we insert table? It's very simple. For example, you want to categorize some kind of a data, or you want to insert a inventory list, or you want to maintain a record, books record, library record, for example, or you want to maintain a class record, student's name, phone number, address, etc. For example, now I'm going to insert serial number, first column, and second one is name, and third one is, for example, phone number, phone number, and fourth one is father name, father name, and last one is, for example, you want to insert address. Okay, so you have experienced there are all the columns are with same length. So I want to increase or decrease the size of the table by moving your mouse pointer like this. See, when I move my mouse pointer on this line in between name and serial number, so you will see that the cursor position or shape will be changed. When this shape is appear, so you have to move your mouse pointer, left mouse button down, and move the mouse pointer to decrease or increase the size of the column like this. So name column is increases now. Okay, for example, I want to increase the father name column. So same like that, you have to choose the line and left mouse button down and drag your mouse or use your tablet or the touchpad given on the tablet or the laptop like this. So you see the father column is increased now. So in this way, you can increase or decrease the size of the column. For example, now you want to insert data. For example, serial number 1, student name is Ahmed. Phone number, for example, father name is Zafar. Address A, New Salala. New Salala. Student, did you notice one thing, that the heading of the table and the data which I have inserted into the table are same size because the font size are same. So in the previous classes, we have discussed about the font size, how to increase and how to decrease the font size. So it is necessary that heading of the table should be bold or little bit bigger as compared to the data inserted into the table. So this size of the heading of the table is 26 font with 26 points. So the data size is also the same. So you have to decrease the data size, the item that you have inserted into the like this. See? So in this way, you can insert different kind of data into your table. This is a simple way to insert a table into a Word document. There are some other ways to insert a ready-made or template table into a Word document. Same like this, you have to move your mouse pointer into the Insert tab and again move towards like this. This option is also, you can see very quickly table will be generated like this. Number of columns. If you move right side, then the column will increase. If you move downward, then the rows will increase. So I will use the quick tables. There are different quick tables, calendars, any schedule, any format you can insert a different style of the table. You can see a different table style are given into a Word ready-made table. So you can insert from here different kind of table as well into your Word document. I hope students that you will understand today's topic, that how could we insert table and why table is necessary, because table is used to mention data, to categorize data, different kind of data, inventory control, item, books, numbers, different grocery items, etc. So you can maintain different kind of a record in form of a table. So that's why table are inserted into the Word